Y'all, I'm in an Ikea. Y'all, they have shark. We are exiting the kitchen. I don't know where we're going. I'm in an Ikea. I'm freaking out because this is my first Ikea. It's like so silent. Except for footsteps. No, but it's for longer hair. And you definitely have longer hair, right? They have everything. It's amazing. I'm in a place with a lot of mirrors, and it's scary. There's too many. I'm in the rugs and flooring section now. Isn't this cool, Mom?
Yeah, bad.
My mom is buying something, and I'm happy. They have swag stuff here. They have lights. Whoa. They have purple fancy lights. Purple. I bought something from Ikea, or my dad did. I'm happy now. And yes, I made a video of me going through an Ikea because I'm just swag like that. Right, Mom?
No.
Oh.